Hello everyone, and welcome to the devlog for Spellcraft, a game made for Jamcraft number 7. When I joined the jam, I started thinking about what I could make. I had already had the idea of making a game about magic in my head for quite some time, so why not combine magic with crafting? I started with the player controls, as this was to be a first-person shooter style game. The script isn't anything too complicated, so I won't go over it here, but feel free to pause the video and read the comments in the script. With the controls out of the way, it was time to start working on the spells. I used something called Scriptable Objects, which is a way to easily make similar things with one script that holds all the information about the object. Take a spell, for example. The Scriptable Object would hold things like its name, cost, particle effect, even its icon. Then other scripts would be able to access it easily. Next was the creature AI. I didn't want anything too complicated, so I just wrote a script that made the creature look at the player and move toward it. The script ended up being 106 lines in total, with the additions of attacking, stopping ranges, and more. It still isn't a great AI, but I think it works well enough for a game jam game. Here you can see that I made a few more spells and the ability to switch between them. I also started working on the crafting UI, which you will see changes a lot. For this jam, I had two teammates, a sound designer and a 3D modeler. The sound designer made the music that is playing right now, plus all the sound effects for the spells, and the 3D modeler made these awesome models you see in the game in this clip, as well as the slime and ghost models. A huge thanks to them for helping me out with this game. Next was to make a way to select spells. The way you do that is by interacting with the book, selecting a crafted spell, and choosing the slot you want it to be in. I then started work on the main focus of the game, crafting. This was probably the most fun thing to make. You put elements on the table, and a spell comes out depending on what elements are there. You get the elements from killing monsters. This is the script that controls the crafting menu. The way I made the crafting system is by giving each spell an ID that tells the game what elements are in it. It is a string of 4 numbers, and a 0 means that an element is not in the spell, and a 1 means it is. For example, a 4-element spell would be 1111, and a flamethrower would be 1010, fire plus air. If you people want a more in-depth tutorial on a crafting system like this, let me know in the comments. Here you can see the crafting system in action. When I add the element to the crafting menu, the icon of the craftable spell comes up, and when I hit craft, the spell is unlocked in the book. I made a little room for the player to play in so they aren't just on a flat plane. It is a simple cube with some colliders and a brick texture, as well as some torches on the walls. Then I made the menu with settings, credits, and difficulty options. Finally, I made something none of my other games have ever had, a playable tutorial. On that note, I think it is time to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to play the game, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.